Oh, pretty little one, how has it all begun? They're teaching you how to walk, but you're already on the run. Little one, what you gonna do? Little one, honey, it's all up to you. Now your daddy's in the den, shooting up the evening news, and your mama's with a friend. Lately she's been so confused. Little one, come on and take my hand. Well, I may not have the answer, but I believe I got a plan. Honey, you shake, I'll rattle, and you roll on down the line. See if we can get in touch with a very close friend of mine. Let me clue you in, it ain't like him to argue or pretend. Honey, let me introduce you to my redneck friend. Well, he's got a little list of all those things in which he don't approve. And he's gotta keep his eyes on you, 'cause you might make your move. Oh, little one, I really wish you were. Little one, oh, I think that damage would do you good.